What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. As you can see, we got here perfect weather to put to the test pool gadgets. Hi here guys. Guys is wanna get in the pool as well. For the first pool gadget I got here a couple of the pool chairs. Let's see how they work. This is the regular one, I like it with the tall back, and this one the heavyweight for 220 pounds right here. No, 300 pounds. I'm 220 pounds, so that's why I got one of these. Anyways, let's see how it works. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna try to sit on this one. Let's see if it's going to float me. Yeah, it does float, but I don't know, it's kind of cool. I like it. I'm 220 pounds. It's kind of relaxational that you don't have to stand up. You kind of sitting on this thing like a chair. But I did wish it had a back for it a lot farther, like this one. Let's see how this one will do. This one is not bad. I guess it's just like a regular chair when you sit down on it and just chilling on it. This one actually holding me up pretty good. You know what? I'll actually use them all the time. It's pretty relaxing. Just floating around like a bubble and enjoy yourself, relax, enjoy the view. You know, I like it. Instead of having a giant pool floaty, you put one of this thing like a chair, and look, it's holding me up pretty good. This is actually really cool. You know what? If I have a cup, like, you know, orange juice or something with me in the morning, or coffee, I can really set it down on something. We need a gadget to have a cup holder for the pool. Well, this might be a next gadget. We got a chair, now we need a cup holder. Let's see what I got. We got here Blob Cup Holder. Let's see how it works. It's a little bird, it's a macaque. Boom, wow, it was easy to blow up too. And it comes 3 in a pack, so you got one for yourself and for everybody else. So now I got myself a chair, I can float around, and now I got myself a drink. I can set it down, but I can just do this, and look, it can float around, no problem. And as you can see, if I splash it all around it, my drink is not tipping over. That's awesome. I can't believe how steady that is. Wow, except my chair. So as you can see, this thing is definitely thumbs up for me. Check this out. I got liquid in there all the way, and if I push it, make waves, it's not spilling over at all. Very nice. Boom. You need a drink, take it out, sip it, put it back in, it still floats in there. Love it. So on 4th of July, you're relaxing in the pool, you got your chair, you got your drink holder, no problem. But now, when you run out of drink, you have to get out of the pool. It's cold outside right now. Days like that, you don't want to get out. So we're gonna have to have a gadget for that too. How do we refill a drink so we don't have to get out of the pool? No problem. Bring your cooler into the swimming pool. Boom. There's few of those floating coolers. Check this out. And also at the same time, you can add on some cup holders into here. How cool is that? And you can actually hold on to it as well, so that way you don't drown and stuff. Boom, you got yourself cup holder. There's Velcro. Open it up and look how big your cooler can fit. A lot of stuff. That's why it's pretty big. If you fill it up with ice, I bet it will go underwater just a little bit, but that's not bad at all. Look, you can even float on top of it and get your drink. Look at it. Cool. But especially if I stand up, I can definitely reach into it. It's a lot bigger than I thought. When you order stuff, you never know what you're going to get. It probably will not hold your ice more than a day because there's a big gap on this cooler. So maybe you can find a different floating cooler that closes up all the way so the cold air doesn't come out there and ice lasts longer. But it's still cool. It works. You can just refill the ice once in a while and you're good to go. Where is my drink holder? There you go. We got our chair, we got our cooler, we got our cup holder. Now, we enjoy and relaxing too much, we need some entertainment, no big deal. Who does not like to play volleyball in the pool? Well, I got a net. Let's see how it works. Check this out. I was really skeptical about this net, but this is actually perfect. Especially if you want to play on the deep end. I might have a problem, my ball will fly away down the mountain, but we probably would play right here. But there you go, how cool is that? Also, you know, when you're gonna jump around and stuff like that, it actually comes with the 2 weight bags with the rope. You tie up the rope right here and put the weight down. So that way it doesn't float away anywhere. So it stays here. So that's really amazing. And also it comes with a ball, inflatable ball. Let's check it out. If you play on the deep end of the pool, it's pretty awesome. It's kind of hard to block. Or if you jump too soon, you're like, oh, I can jump again because you're about to sink. But let me try to spike. I'll pass it to myself. Ah, fail. But there you go. Let me try to spike one more time. Pass it to myself. Yeah! Awesome. But yeah, if you set up the weight and you play maybe 2 versus 2 or 3 versus 3, that's perfect. Pass it up. Oh, perfect. That's awesome. Do you see that spike? I can't wait to try to play this thing. I just need friends. Okay guys, it's all great, but what kind of pool party is this without music? Well, obviously you can have music outside over there, but then if you need to switch a song or whatever, it's kind of hard to get. Well, guess what? I got gadget for that as well. This is a floating speaker. Have you seen anything like that before? Boom, and your speaker floats around. Don't forget to close everything in on it and it just floats. Obviously you want to put speaker up right here. I can't believe it. And boom, it floats up. So if somebody jumps on it, it will just float back up. So you got music right next to you. Don't have to listen to it from far away. Let's see the quality. I'm just gonna play some Beethoven. I'm surprised the quality. Wow, it's so amazing. And water honestly amplifies it actually. This is the loudest that it gets. That's amazing. I can't believe it. I thought honestly it's gonna be like very, very bad quality sound, but it's actually amazing. And of course I can take it down a little bit. Right now there is obviously thunder and all that rain, a lot of noise going on. And I can still hear it. This is like 75% loudness. And this is on full. Wow, it's sitting underwater and still playing. Super cool, so unique, I love it. So there you go. A little floating speaker. Sometimes when water gets in it, it sounds so weird. Definitely a thumbs up for me for a floating speaker. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Do not try this at home. Ah, I made it! Okay, let's put the dogs out. Let's see what they think. Guys, come on. They're so funny. Come on, you guys, you got to try. You got to try. Yeah, you can stay there. Can you climb too? God, don't drown. Oh, don't drown, God. Take a break. Look, climb it. Come on, climb it. Look at them, they're just chilling in the water on the pad. This thing is the best. Wow, I think they're enjoying it. Let's see if I can get on it too.